Today we're going to talk about possibly the best home remedy to eliminate toenail fungus, a problem that affects 1 in 10 people worldwide. And do you know what it is? Believe it or not, I'm talking about bleach. That's right. A cheap, easy to find product that you likely already have at home. Stay with us until the end of the video to learn everything about how to use it, the precautions, what results to expect, and other important tips to enhance the treatment. And it's super important. Act as soon as possible. Don't wait for the fungus to progress to an advanced stage. 1. Explaining the problem. Toenail fungus, also known as onychomycosis, thrives in warm, moist, and dark environments. This makes feet the perfect target. The American Academy of Dermatology points out that half of nail problems are caused by fungi. The infection begins with white or yellowish spots, and over time, the nail can thicken, break, and even detach from the nail bed, causing pain and discomfort. 2. Simple, step-by-step solution. Now, I'm going to show you a simple solution you can do at home. Bleach, which contains sodium hypochlorite, has antifungal properties that will help eliminate the fungus. Let's do this in 3 simple steps. Grab a small glass, fill half of the glass with bleach, and top it off with water. Soak the affected toe or finger for 1 to 2 minutes. Afterwards, rinse well with water to remove any residue from the mixture. 3. Why it works. The secret here lies in sodium hypochlorite, the main component of bleach. It acts as a fungus exterminator, destroying the fungus cells through oxidation. This means that sodium hypochlorite breaks down the fungus cells, preventing them from growing and spreading. In studies, sodium hypochlorite has shown an effectiveness rate of up to 80% in combating superficial fungi. That's why it's important to act quickly and not wait for the fungus to penetrate deeply into the nail. 4. Important recommendations. While effective, it's important to follow some precautions. Always dilute bleach for the first application to avoid irritation. Do not use this method if you have open wounds or skin irritation. If you experience redness or pain, stop immediately and consult a doctor. Repeat the treatment daily for 7 days for ideal results. If you don't see improvement after this period, consult a dermatologist. 5. Expected result. In just 1 week, you will begin to see the nail growing without signs of fungus. Full recovery takes time. In more severe cases, it can take up to 12 months. But with patience, the affected area will be replaced by a healthy nail. But before continuing the treatment, it's very important to understand some myths that could be hindering your progress. Did you know that many people have misconceptions about toenail fungus, which ends up prolonging the problem? If you want to discover the 10 biggest myths about toenail fungus after watching this video, check out the video I've left in the description. That way, you'll avoid the most common mistakes and speed up your recovery. Prevention and additional tips. Besides treating it, prevention is essential, and it's much easier to prevent than to treat. Here are some tips to keep the fungus from returning. Keep your feet dry, especially between the toes. Wear ventilated shoes and avoid walking barefoot in public places. Don't reuse the same shoes for many consecutive days. Disinfect your shoes regularly with antifungal spray or powder. Remember, moisture is the fungus's paradise. Dry your feet well after showering and prefer cotton socks, as they absorb moisture better. Did you like the video? Leave your experience with toenail fungus in the comments below. What treatments have you tried, and how long have you been dealing with this issue? If this video helped you, share it with someone who needs to know about this solution. Like and subscribe to the channel for more health and wellness tips. Let's share experiences and help more people.